Okay, can you hear me?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So your question answer is that, so it is the long process to run learning, because in this time modern technology will be developed day by day, and we can use the different type of the modern technology for using the GIS or remote sensing purpose. Okay, so you can try to develop your knowledge for with the different types of develop software, suppose Google Earth Engine, machine learning, or other things. Okay, so it's a long time process, and you can just updating yourself with this knowledge, then it will be okay for you, I think.
Okay, 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 okay. Understood, sir. Understood.
So day by day it will be developed. The GIS remote sensing, it will be developed day by day. And other, we can see the other traditional software, ArcMap or QGIS, and other papers will be other some research paper, remote sensing or GIS, they can also use the traditional software. And this is the Google Earth Engine or others new things or new development of the software. They also added a new dimension of the remote sensing and GIS. So you should to develop your knowledge as soon with the modern technology, and use this modern technology for the remote sensing and GIS technology, GIS knowledge, then it will be good for your study. Okay,
Okay, okay, okay, okay. So understand.
so we can get this result from here, and this visualization parameter is that, if you want you can also change this visualization parameter and get this change the visualization. Okay, if you want you can also make the time series chart of this what's the high and low pixel value of the nitrogen dioxide in this time period, and you can also see the export this map, and you can easily make the map layout in Google Earth Map, ArcMap or QGIS software, and present this map any presentation or research work. So any question in this time in here? You can try to get all of this data set from this link. You just try to make this ozone, nitrogen dioxide, ozone, or other gases. You can try yourself and make you this code for your own region. Okay, then it will be also practice. You can, I hope you can get all
Uh,
of these things.
Sir, I have a doubt, sir. Like we have this GIS software like QGIS, ArcGIS, sir. In what way Google Earth Engine is better than that, sir? Because like they have like inbuilt functions. Just clicking here, we work on code. So is there any benefit over working on GE rather than using uh, this software, sir?
Okay, actually ArcGIS and QGIS, this is the traditional software, and they are very old software. Okay, so here you can see, if you want to make, suppose you want to make the land cover classification map for the whole country of Bangladesh. Okay, so when you use the ArcMap or QGIS software, you first of all you need to download your satellite imagery from USGS, and this dataset or other sources, Earth Explorer or other sources, you need to download it. Okay, but in this time, when you use the Google Earth Engine platform, you don't need to download the any satellite imagery. Okay, this is the lot of advantage for using the Google Earth Engine platform. And you can see here, their computing analysis is the very fast than other software, just ArcMap or QGIS. Okay, okay, you can do the any analysis in remote sensing using the Google Earth Engine platform very quickly and very efficiently than other software, that ArcMap or QGIS. And in the recent, the QGIS also has add a module, the Earth Engine module. Okay, they are also add this their software, the Earth Engine module, so that anyone can also use the QGIS with the module of the Google Earth Engine. Okay, they can also use for the Google Earth Engine module for using the remote sensing tasks. They also add the QGIS software in this time. They also make a module and they add this module in the QGIS. Okay, so there are the lot of advantage for using the Google Earth Engine platform than any other software, mainly the remote sensing analysis. Okay, any question?
Okay.
So our 3 day session will be completed, and as soon as possible I will also try to send you all of this course material, slide and practice code, so that you can also practice. And if you have faced any problem regarding these courses, then you can just knock in our WhatsApp group, as well as also you can knock in my personal in WhatsApp messenger, so that I will get the feedback, no problem. And if you want, you can also join our advanced training session. This the 5 days, 3 days or 7 days for a specific, if you have any specific research topic, or for the water quality monitoring, or if you have any analysis for the any remote sensing analysis, you can also use for land, or you can also development any web application in the Google Earth Engine, then you can contact with us, no problem. Okay, so any question, anyone?
Sir, my question is, it feels good, interesting, and like I actually will practice this thing
Yeah.
by myself, and then like if I feel that I am comfortable and I want to work on it more on remote sensing, maybe I will contact with you for other things like full courses or advanced things, this kind of thing.
Okay, no problem.
Because if I feel interesting, then I will definitely contact with you.
So it's very interesting, and when you get the interest in this field, you can easily do. Actually, it's totally depend on your passion. If you want to learn the something new, you can easily do in the understand. Okay, no problem.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. That's the thing.
Any question, anyone? And I also send you all this course material and these video classes, no problem. And face any problem, then you can just knock in the WhatsApp group, as well as also just you can send your code link or script. And I also show you the another thing, so that many person when they send their link, they can make the wrong. I will try to show you the right way. Okay, suppose you can see, I will try to show you that. Suppose when you share the any link, suppose I want to share this link, you can just copy this link. Okay, then I can access this link, and in this link there is the no asset. Okay, which assets I uploaded in here, because here the all of this data set, I can get this data set from my Google Earth Engine data set USDOS. But sometimes you can see here, if you want to make a shapefile for your own shapefile, and you can use this shapefile your this code editor, but you can don't share this shapefile with me, so that's why I cannot access your code properly. Okay, so this shapefile will be missing. So suppose I will try to show you this code, so you can easily understand. Suppose this, you can see this code, I will use my own shapefile. Okay, Dhaka district, this is my own shapefile, which shapefile I used for my imported from my asset tab. Okay, but you don't share this shapefile with me, so that I cannot access your code. Okay, you must be shared this code. So how you can share this code? So you can simply go to your asset, and which shapefile you uploaded in here, you can just find out the shapefile. Suppose this is the Dhaka district. Okay, so where the Dhaka district, you can simply click on the share. Okay, then you can simply click on the share, it will appear it. Suppose you want to share with some specific person, just you can simply put here this email ID. Suppose in this time my email ID is that rmijanur. Suppose you want to share a code or link from me, just you can put this link. Okay, or if you want, anyone can access your code, or anyone, just you can simply click on the anyone can read, then simply click to the done. Okay, then you can simply get this link and copy this link, then anyone can access your full code, your shapefile, then your full code, they can access and work with this code. So suppose if you have faced any problem regarding this code, you must be share your shapefile, so that I can get the proper result. Okay,
Okay, sir. Okay.
Okay. So if you have any question, you can ask me. Otherwise, our session will be end.
Thank you, sir.
Okay.
Thank you.
Okay. Okay. Thank you for joining with us. And have face any problem, just let me in your WhatsApp group or personally text in my WhatsApp group. No problem. Okay. So today is no more. Hope all the best for you all. So okay. Good
Bye.
night. Okay. Bye.
Thank you.
Good night, sir. Thank you, sir. Good night.
Okay. Good night.